Sodium atoms react with chlorine atoms to produce sodium chloride. Describe what happens when a sodium atom reacts with a chlorine atom. Write about electron transfer in your answer. Anytime we have an electron configuration question, it might pay to look at the periodic table and note down what the electron configurations are for the ions in question. Sodium has 11 electrons and chlorine has 17 electrons as an atom. So sodium's got 1 electron in its outer shell and chlorine has 7. This makes it easier to look at the transfer of electrons. We can have 1 electron transferring from sodium to the chlorine. So to put this into words, sodium has 1 electron in its outer shell and chlorine has 7. So 1 electron from sodium will transfer to the outer shell of chlorine in a 1-to-1 ratio. So this means for every 1 sodium that's being used to transfer the electron, 1 chlorine is receiving them, giving us sodium chloride at the end, as opposed to something else like calcium chloride that would be CaCl2, because calcium is in group 2, so it transfers 2 electrons instead of 1. And each chlorine only picks up 1, so we're going to need to have 2 of them to pick up both electrons from each calcium. But for this question, that's pretty much fine.